Hi, this is Gary from Computen. We're going to be doing a series of tutorials for beginners to explain basic Windows environment tips and tricks. Along the way, we might introduce some IT gadgets and so on and so forth. For starters, I'm going to make a 1-minute video explanation for something very annoying in Windows, and that's this weather icon over here. I'm sure everybody's noticed that when you go anywhere in this area to try and do anything, this thing pops up, which can be very annoying. You can configure what you will see here as far as news and headlines. You can do that all through here, but that's not what we're doing right now. I want to just prevent it from popping up all the time. So you come over here, anywhere over the weather icon, and you right click. You go up to the third option from the bottom, which is news and interests. You go to the left here, all the way to the bottom, and where it says open on hover, you see it has a check mark. So each time I go by that area with the mouse, it's gonna pop up. Okay, I've removed the check mark, and as you see, it doesn't pop up anymore. It will open if I left click on it, but it's not gonna pop up on hover anymore. Another thing you can do is, if you don't want it here at all, you can go up here to news and interests. You can choose to show icon only, and then it will show this little animation, or icon and text, of course, or you can turn it off completely. There you go, it's gone. It's history. Great. Okay, well, if you want to see more videos, then please go underneath the video and click subscribe. It's on the lower right side, and click on the bell. That will give you notifications when we bring out new videos. And otherwise, if you have any questions or ideas for videos, you can leave comments in the comment section. Thanks, have a great day.